What's up, YouTubers? My name is Brennan. This is Super Nerd Hobbyist, and today I'm going to show you how you can make your very own Cyberpunk ninja mask. So this is the model I got off of Etsy. It's a broken ninja mask. I'm going to use it as my Cyberpunk cosplay mask. You can see it has little pieces on the side that are broken and the other side isn't. It has a crack down the side of it. I think it looks really neat. So I'm going to print this with tree supports, and this is gonna take 5 hours and 27 minutes to make, and this is gonna print just like this. Alright, see you guys in a little bit.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started, a life is a dream.
And this is what it looks like after it's done. I think it came out really good, even that crack down the side. You get the nose, and the broken side is behind it. So the next step is to take off the supports all the way around it. And you want to make sure that you're using something like a small pair of pliers. Make sure you take your time, that way you don't bust no other pieces that are actually part of your project or mask. But yeah, just take your time, take all these pieces off everywhere around here, including all in the back, all this tree support. So alright, let's take it off. Let's get to it. Now this is what the mask looks like with all the supports off. Looks really nice. Here's the back part of it. There's a lot of supports there. So the next step is to paint it, put primer on it, and then we can get to airbrushing and doing the rest of it to make it nice, look nice. So yeah, we'll get to that next, so let's get to it. Now we're ready to paint. I'm going to use this Rust-Oleum's paint and primer satin black, and I'm just going to do a couple layers all the way around and on the back of it. Make sure when you're doing this that you do it outside, and that you're also wearing protection like this mask to make sure you're not inhaling all of this stuff, and that you're outside so it all airs out and you're not stuffed inside the house or your garage, wherever you're doing it. So alright, let's get to it. Now, since we're done with the 2 layers of black paint, now we just need to take some masking tape, mask most of the mask except for the teeth, because we're going to paint the teeth red. So we're going to get into that. Okay, let's get to it. Now since we got that all taped up, I'm going to paint it red using this Rust-Oleum's Gloss Apple Red. You don't need to use this kind of light red if you don't want to. You can use a darker red. I just want it kind of glossy a little bit, so hopefully this turns out really good. Alright, let's get to it. So this is after I got done painting it red and I took the tape off, so now all the teeth on it is red. Now the next step is to airbrush. I'm going to airbrush these cracks on the side and the little lines that run down the nose and on the side out here in the black area. I'm gonna try to make it look more or less like glowing lava coming out from the mouth to these cracks. And I want to use it by using an orange color to highlight the outside of the crack. Use a white on the inside, and after it dries, put a fluorescent red in the middle to kind of give it that bright glow all the way across. And we're gonna try that and see if we can make that work. And all the little touch-ups I need to do, like painting black on the inside of that red, and the cracks right here, I'll probably paint those black as well. So yeah, so let's get to it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals.
And this is what it looks like after all that airbrushing. I think it looks really, really neat. Kind of giving that feel of like the lava coming through the mask. So all I need to do now is just use a little black and get down in here for the details and some of the teeth and then some of the cracks right around here. And I think it should be done after that. So let's get done with these little details and get this done. I decided to use a little rub and buff silver to give it a metallic look, so I hope it comes out well. So this is how the mask turned out after. I think it looks really good. It's kind of like a really dark metal with a whole bunch of red highlights in the cracks. So the next step on this is to put a strap on it, and I'm using some braided elastic for the headband, and then I'm going to use some industrial strength Velcro to keep it on the mask, and I'm just going to put it on either side. So, and I'll show you how I do that. So basically all you want to do is take some of this elastic band, put it around your head, and give yourself a little extra room to put it on the mask. So when I did my head, about this much is what I needed. So I'm just going to cut that piece off. If I can. Okay. So that's all the elastic I'm going to need. And all we're really going to do to make sure it's secure on this and not going to fall off is we're going to take this industrial strength Velcro, and we're just going to put the strap on the back part where you have the adhesive, lay it on there, and then lay it on the mask. That's all you need, because that adhesive is so strong that no matter how much you pull on that, it will not break. You'll need like pliers to take it off. So we're going to do that. We're just going to take a little bit, take one of those squares, we'll peel it off right here. Okay. And I'm going to lay probably that much. Put it on this portion right here. I'm going to just put that on there. Okay. Just push that down as much as you can. Make sure it's really on there. Okay. Now you see, I pull on it, it ain't going nowhere. That's stuck on there, no matter how hard I pull. Now, to be 100% sure, I'm going to put this around my head real quick and make sure if I need to cut off a little bit more or not. You want to make sure that it's tight enough on your head that you can take it off and on and it's not cutting off circulation. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show me. Okay. And I'm just going to put it on. Take it around my head. See where I want it. So about right there. As you see, just put where you think it should be. Just make sure you pull it and put your finger there to see if that's too tight or too loose. Like if I put it all the way here, this is obviously too loose because it's just moving everywhere. So I want it close enough to my face. It's about right there. So, yeah. Okay. So we're going to cut it right there and then put the adhesive. Okay. Now, we got our strap. I'm using another one of this. And I am using the fuzzy side of the Velcro, not the hard. Also because I don't want that to scratch my face while it's in there when I put it on. So now make sure this Velcro or this strap is straight. Put it on. I'm gonna put it on down here so it kind of hides the strap when I put it on my face. Okay. And give me a second. Alright, put that down in there. Make sure it's sealed. Push down. Test it out. Alright, I got my strap on. Now the mask is officially complete. And this is what it looks like after. I think this turned out really well. I do love making stuff like this, so please let me down below in the comments if you want me to make more stuff like this. And thank you guys for watching my video. Hopefully you really like my videos and like watching me make stuff like this. I really do enjoy it. Please like, share, subscribe, and follow for more content. And thank you for subscribing and following my channel. So see you in the next video. Peace.